Welcome to the full technical demo for iMarketer. I'm Dan Green and I'm going to show you exactly what you will experience when you use this amazing software. So all you need to do is once you have bought, you just register an account and you just need to make sure that your email address there matches up with the one you used to purchase. And if that matches up with your purchase email address, you'll be able to register, and you can see here we've logged in. Next, we can then go ahead and create a website. Now, to create a website, it is so simple. All you need to do is think of a name for your site and also a subdomain. So you can use a subdomain, and that means that we will fully host your site for you on our domain. But we also do give you the option to add your own domains too. So if you want to use your own domain, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call this keto example site. So I'm going to do this site about keto diets. That's a popular diet program right now. There's loads of good offers that you can use as an affiliate, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, you can do your site about absolutely any subject or niche you want. That's what iMarketer is about. You can get a site you can be proud of on any subject or any niche, and you can monetize it easily with AdSense or ClickBank. Okay, so once we've chosen a name for our site and subdomain, all we need to do is click this button to create a website, and the software will go ahead and it will create an entire site all automatically for you. Now, if we just head over here, the site can come with, you can then start adding posts. So this is a full visual editor here that is exactly like you would get in something like Wordpress. So you could go ahead and create posts manually, loads of different options, put in videos, images, literally anything you want. But perhaps you don't want to sit and create your content manually. Well, we do provide some other options. So what we can do is we can actually source content from YouTube videos. And what will happen is, so if we go here, we just click and enter a YouTube URL. So I'm going to find a YouTube URL about keto. So here we go. I found this YouTube channel here. This is all about keto recipes. So all I need to do if I want to start generating content is I just need to paste that in here. So click that in here, and then automatically, all on its own, iMarketer every single day will start to auto-transcribe the content from this YouTube channel to create posts for you on full autopilot. Now these, obviously, because it's auto-transcribing, it's turning the sound into words. This will be original content for your site. The next big key feature, let's have a look first of all at the design settings. So we come with a bunch of different backgrounds, generic backgrounds you can choose from for your site, and you can also upload your own if you wish to as well. We can also upload a logo for our site. We've got some integration here for social media, loads and loads of different design options. You can have whatever color you want. We've got different theme options here. There's just loads of different design options. So I'll not go into all of them now, but safe to say you can have it look exactly how you want it. Now, another really big new feature with iMarketer is the autoresponder. So each iMarketer site has its own fully integrated autoresponder service, just like Aweber or GetResponse. So you can send unlimited emails, you can get unlimited subscribers, create unlimited lists, send whatever you want whenever you want to. So if we go here to the, we could create a new list. So you can see here that I've created this list called Keto Mailing List. And then if I want to, I can then create an opt-in form for that list. So go here, you can see here we've got a bunch of different, so I'm going to call this Keto opt-in form, there we go. Choose my keto example site that I just created before, and assign it to the keto mailing list that I've created. I'm not going to go into any of these design options, but you can see we've got a bunch of options here that have this look exactly how you want it to look. And then I'm going to stick this in the index sidebar. We've got a bunch of different locations for where you want to have your opt-in form positioned. So I'll go ahead and I will save this. We have now created our opt-in form and assigned it to our site. Now, of course, you can monetize your site by growing your mailing list. That's great. The money is in the list, ladies and gentlemen. But we also provide amazing options for advertising. So we support basically any kind of advertising, including, importantly, AdSense and ClickBank. Now, why is AdSense important? Well, AdSense is important because the way AdSense works. So if we just go to the advertisement section here, and we can create a new advertisement. So you can see here that we have a bunch of different options. So we could, if we wanted to, just insert some AdSense code in here. So if we just did that, copied and paste some AdSense code, and then you can choose where you wanted to show it. And we even have a delay function if you want the advertisement to pop up after a certain period. So all you would do is you would just go ahead and copy and paste your AdSense code into there. And that's it. That would literally be all you need to do to have AdSense on your site. Why is AdSense important? Well, AdSense is important because it shows your visitors ads that they are already interested in. So Google tracks what your visitors have been searching for online, and it shows them ads related to what they are searching for. This means that no matter what niche you want, no matter what you want your iMarketer website to be about, you will always be able to monetize your site because it shows your visitors what they are interested in. So you can focus on creating a great looking site that you are passionate about, and trust in iMarketer, trust in AdSense to go ahead and to actually show your visitors what they're interested in and monetize your site. And every single time someone clicks on an ad on your site, you earn commissions. It really is that great and powerful. So what I'm going to do ahead now, guys, is I'm going to just jump ahead and I'm going to actually show you a live site that we have created. Okay, so let's jump in here. So you can see, guys, this is an example site that we've created. So we've created an example opt-in form here. We can move this around to a different position. I'll show you how we can do that in a sec. We've uploaded a custom image, and yeah, it's filled with all this great content. Now bear in mind, I have not created any of this content. This has just been auto-transcribed from the YouTube channel, as I showed you before. If you click in here, you can see it's really fantastic quality content that has been created on auto-transcribed for us with great images. This is really a fantastic looking site. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly now demo another way that we can monetize our site. After all, that's what this is the name of the game, is monetization. So I'm going to remove this opt-in form that we just positioned here just to show you as an example. So I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to head over to ClickBank now, and I'm going to show you how we can monetize with ClickBank. So as you see here, ClickBank has got loads and loads of different offers that you can use. So it's another fantastic way of monetizing your site. And I found a one here that's related to keto, so super relevant to our site. So I've gone and clicked on here, and I found the banner code for keto. So then I could just go back in here, go to the advertisement, and then create a new ad. I'm going to put a ClickBank banner code, just copy, paste, and we're going to do in a predefined slot, and that is going to be the index banner. So that's going to replace where it was. I'm not going to have a delay, and we'll create our advertisement, and then we go in and we have a look, just like that. And if we click, our affiliate link is auto embedded, and they're redirected to this offer where we can get some more monetization. And one final thing I'll just show you is that, I should mention, of course, all the blog posts are fully editable. So if you want to, you can edit any of these. We also have the option to create custom pages. So I'll just show you an example of that. So perhaps we'll have to do an example about us page. And again, this is a full visual editor, so anything you put in here will appear exactly as you see it. I'm just going to put example page, save the settings, and if we go back to our site and then refresh the page, you can see here that our About Us has appeared. So you've got a huge amount of options. Let's recap. We've got fully automated original content that looks fantastic. Look at this, guys, remember? That's going to be produced for us every single day. So you can have, all you need to do is just copy and paste a YouTube channel URL related to your site. Next, we have a fully integrated autoresponder service, so you can create opt-in forms, create lists, and sign up unlimited subscribers, unlimited lists. You can then go ahead and then you can, as well, I've set up an example autoresponder here, but we can also just create normal email campaigns to send to the list. So you can just create your email here as normal, choose which lists you want to send it to, and then you can schedule or send the campaign straight away to, again, unlimited emails, unlimited subscribers, all built in, no monthly fees. And of course, on top of all that, we've got powerful options for creating advertisements, whether that be ClickBank, normal upload, so you can choose your own image and link to your own URL, or AdSense fully integrated. On top of all that, as mentioned before, we do provide the ability to use your own domain, and we've got full tutorials on how to do that. So if you wanted to use your own domain, you can go ahead. iMarketer really is the most complete all-in-one marketing application on the market today. You can have a fully automated, fully monetized website about literally anything you want within just literally a few minutes and a few clicks. How great is that? Jump on board today with iMarketer. You literally won't need any other tools ever again. iMarketer is great.